Hey guys. Hey, we're live.
We're live. Well, I'm looking at my desk that's scratched up.
What's a work desk? He built me the beautiful desk.
I need it.
Yeah, I know, but it's scratches show work has been done there. Welcome back. You get this guy 2 days in a row, you guys. Babe, do you know why I'm wearing this shirt? 2 reasons.
Because we're going to Disney.
We're going to Disney right after this video.
You are salty.
Why am I extra salty lately?
The past few days.
Because all of our boxes have been crappy.
Oh, yeah. I didn't know how to answer that, so I went the safe bet of not answering that.
Yeah, so there's been a lot of reasons I'm salty, but I'm going to get me some nice salty treats that I've got this afternoon.
You're salty.
You're not.
Got it on video.
Okay, so today's I'm hoping is going to be a change of events. This is not the box unboxings we've been doing. We got another box from WiBargain, and this box was sent to us to review for you. And it is a premium Amazon returns wholesale box. So
it's all Amazon stuff.
Amazon returns.
I like Amazon.
We have never gotten one like this. Now,
it's like Amazon though.
we've gotten a different box that had returns, and we figured out it was all from Amazon, even though the company didn't say so. This is indeed premium Amazon returns. It's $125, but I have a code, Amanda15. If you want to save 15% off of your first order from WiBargain on any of their boxes. I was very, very happy. The other box you have seen us open was the Target clothing. Remember?
Yes.
That's the same company. Then you can buy that. So do you want to, let's just dig in. We did already, I want to, yes, pick up the box. Yes.
This is why she has me here.
I know, muscle. So it just got delivered like 14 minutes ago. And I did cut the tape because no one wants to hear. I just wanted them to see the first look.
First peek.
First peek. So oh no, this is a
filler.
Okay.
Well, maybe it's because there's fragile things.
Well, maybe. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I have no idea what to expect. I'm assuming no clothing because that would go in a clothing bin. I don't know. Let's just jump in. What is this?
It's from Sonic.
Sonic.
Knuckles. That's his name.
Knuckles.
He was like the bad Sonic.
Oh, I don't know anything about him.
I know he's probably like good now or something, but I remember like the original Sega Sonic, like he was the bad Sonic.
So obviously most of the stuff I'm assuming all of it will have been opened.
Yes, you can tell the tamper seal had been cut.
Yes, so he is a control holder. Oh.
A generic.
So I was just checking because it says includes a micro USB charging cord, which it does not have.
You can hold your phone on your nightstand.
Oh, he's cute.
If you're into Sonic.
Yeah. So there is no cord, like it says, but
cable included. The
actual guy himself is in pretty good shape. I don't know if this is something we'll sell online. Maybe a local thing. I don't know. Interesting.
Does he light up?
I don't know. Maybe they would just leave it.
It's a generic cord. We could even replace it.
Oh, okay. This has no writing on the box at all, except for up here.
Up here.
Up here. It says
Let's
up here.
See what up here is about.
You can go ahead and open that. I don't want this box to be super.
I see some really tiny cables. Looks like lighting cables. Like we have some LED lights that use that same kind of wiring.
Oh, they're tiny.
And there's some 3M adhesive.
Ooh,
okay, so these are fans for like computers and stuff. It's like an electronic fan.
Oh.
So that stuff would plug into either, I don't know if it's your like PC.
The cool thing with Amazon is we can probably look it up.
Yeah, we'll find the price. And
it doesn't look like it's been used though, because these have like cutouts on them.
Probably was like the wrong size or something, and they just said, oh, send it back.
Okay, so, this is Miyuko thermal insulated blackout panel curtains. Ooh. The pair, it says there's 2 of them. They're like what color would you call this?
Rust.
Rust. Burnt orange. Rust.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay. There's 2 of them, 52 by 84. Okay. It kind of looks like my mom's color palette.
Tall.
Maybe she'd like this in her house.
52. What?
You can grab the next thing.
4. The next thing?
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna lose some popcorn.
Oh, what is this?
Kids First Robot Safari.
Is it a unicorn?
Well, it looks like you can make a robot, and on the back it shows a bunch of different animals.
Build 8 motorized animals.
Different ones in there.
Oh, it does say unicorn right here.
Yeah,
unicorn, narwhal,
fox.
You owe me a Coke.
I don't have any Cokes to give you, so sorry about that. It's been resealed, maybe, because it still has the Amazon tape.
It says Amazon warehouse. I don't know. We'll have
so not sure if that's actually been even opened or not.
look into that. Okay, one thing is taking up like over half of this box.
I
So
see it, yeah.
we don't have one of these, but we have something we use instead. This is
It
an
looks like a miniature version of it.
aroma rice cooker.
Basically, the buttons look very
They
similar
look just
to
like
an
our
Instant
Instant
Pot.
Pot. 8
Yeah.
rice cups cooked. So
We use our Instant Pot to cook rice.
what's it use?
If you don't already, you should.
You should.
Easiest way to make
1
rice.
cup of raw rice to 1 cup of water, right?
Correct. And you press the rice button. Done. Comes out perfect every
I'm
time.
trying to see if it looks like it was used. Okay. There's a coupon. Oh, but it expired December 31st.
Mm.
It actually, it's hard to tell. At least it's clean. I've seen some people unbox electronic type stuff.
Say if it's been used maybe once or something, because
Okay.
it doesn't look like it's been used.
So we can, well, maybe.
Oh, there's
get
some
it.
water overflow there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
So maybe
definitely
we
was
can
used
clean this
once.
up. This is something I'll put you in charge of selling on Marketplace.
Okay.
I can't handle
I'll rock-
Marketplace.
I'll rock the marketplace.
Ooh, it got dark all of a sudden. It got cloudy. You're next.
I'm next. Okay.
This is fun. I have no idea what's
This
gonna
is
come next.
Interesting. Feels soft, like a duffel, or I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to open this all the way, right?
Here,
there-
these things are making.
I'll make sure it's not a spot that I'll have to pull here. It's not been opened before because it's in this resealable bag, or not resealable bag.
Don't think.
No.
Oh yeah, this is the kind that
That's like their
tears.
shipping bags. Yeah, like it's
Mm.
someone orders something and
I like to do something.
okay.
What is it?
Brand is Porch Shield. Oh, it feels like maybe
A grill cover?
I think. Yeah, I'm gonna go with a grill, like a
Smoker
universal
grill.
grill cover.
Cool.
So,
Can we use that?
well, no, because my smoker has a cover.
Oh.
That's obviously specific shape, but I will say for
I think it looks used though.
having grill covers though, it's a heavy duty one though. It's not.
is.
It's not thin. It's got nice
Turn the light on.
buckles on it. I need light. Yeah. Excuse me, folks.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty heavy. But even though that package, someone must have had a bag that like ours that are sealed like that. I don't know. I'm just telling you, it looks like it's been used. Not bad, but like, look, see, like there's like marks on.
Milk specs or something maybe.
Yeah. Okay. How much are grill covers?
50 plus.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, especially for a nice heavy duty one like that.
So they must maybe they just have these.
Warehouse
you
maybe
know?
rebags them.
Yeah.
Yeah, like someone returned that just like that.
So what are these?
have a
There's
box.
4 of whatever this is. Wi-Fi smart switch with DIY mode. This is your kind of stuff. I have no idea what that is. Mini, it says at the top.
I think this is something you might be able to plug things into and then Wi-Fi control devices.
Oh.
I'm not sure what devices because I don't have any.
Okay.
Well, again, I will have to Google that.
I think this is the kind of box good for you because you like research
A lot
and
of tech stuff I have to read about it.
But I do think there's also an Amazon app where you can probably scan it. It says works with Alexa and Google Assistant.
Yeah, definitely.
Remote control, single countdown timing, voice control. I don't know. Those seem pretty slick. What do we have that I want Alexa to control?
I mean, like tableside lamps would be a good idea because they're on
We
switches
don't have any of that.
in our bedroom,
Oh, we do. But Alexa isn't in our room.
or the kids have one,
Cool.
and they do
So
have a dot in their room, so maybe they could turn on.
you're
and off
supposed to
the light.
buy this stuff with the intention of reselling it, but somehow I'm always like, how can we keep this?
We'll see
Oh, your turn.
when I research it. Okay. A Whole30 book.
A cookbook.
Hear that? There you go. Get the glare off
Closer.
it.
Here. Whole30 with.
Friends and family.
I have a friend that does this and hates life for a
Family.
month. She does it like 1 month out of every year and
Yeah.
can't drink with me, and it's terrible.
So
But
you might get a book though for some extra recipes because, like, hey, you can use this.
$30 that costs.
You think they did it on purpose?
What?
Whole30 for $30.
Huh?
But sorry.
Oh my gosh. There's only 2 things left. Okay, an automatic blood pressure monitor. I already have one of those.
It really is random.
Totally random.
Like, it's not kids stuff. It's not just electronics.
I mean, it has a little carrying case. It looks pretty.
Yeah, it still has all
It
the
still has like the film. But since it is open, I feel like we will still test it.
All right.
Sure.
One thing left.
One thing left.
The box.
Oh, babe, I think you need
The
that.
box has been definitely opened.
Yeah, it's very
It's like
crunchy.
falling
And there's
out.
peanuts all in it.
Peanuts, so I'm just trying to clean it off before I lift it because I don't want peanuts everywhere.
Oh,
But
it's still all in it.
oh well, we'll have some clean too. A Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer.
This looks like
my.
I think you could.
Oh my gosh!
What?
You totally just thumped me in the eye.
Oh no!
It's like, oh, like I'm not an alligator or a shark.
Oh, babe, I'm sorry. And
Just-
I got some help for it.
Well, we're live, folks. There's no editing there.
Okay,
Yes.
I think
I'm crying. Right now. My eyes are all
Sorry.
watered up.
I think the box is so ruined because this is one of those cases where you know how you walk home and like, hello, the whole world sees what you bought on Amazon because it's got the package. Sorry.
I'm just socially
Anyway,
distancing,
I was just trying to touch your hair.
Yeah.
So check this out. Okay,
Just drop it in the popcorn.
I will. Wow.
That thing is monstrous.
Say that your favorite thing.
What, doing your hair?
No, look closer.
There's hair in it. Oh man.
We're telling the universe now. He has one like phobia. I'm sure there's an official name for it. Loose hairs. Not mine.
I could control it though.
We've been together long enough, but like
It's not like I wouldn't function,
we
but
don't really go in like
it does
public pools because if there's like
bother
a hair come by.
oh, they like tumbleweave.
So yeah,
floats
someone
around in
definitely
water.
used this. And anyway, well, that's our box. Do you think it was worth $125?
Eesh, I don't know. I'm gonna have to look up some of these things because
We will.
I just don't know the prices of all this.
I mean,
I
it was
mean, we
not
know there's
very.
$30 there.
I mean, retail price, but if you're looking
Yeah.
at buying this for flipping, I don't know. So that was
Yeah.
one item. These, I don't know how much these cost. I feel like maybe these are worth something.
I don't
That
know
was
either.
two.
See, I'm gonna say
Our
a few bucks each.
Robot Safari, you would know better than me. This is like $20 because I had to buy one once. Blood pressure.
Remember, it's Amazon. Everything's cheap on Amazon.
These, what was
That's why
this?
we
Those
buy from
fans
Amazon. Yeah, electronic, like electric
and
cool
this
fans.
book and blackout curtain.
Oh, we do have the
Used rice cooker.
used rice cooker.
Oh, the grill cover and this guy. I lost count, but not as many items as I thought, but bigger items than I've seen some people get. So thank you, WiBargain, for sending me this. And I don't know if I would buy this particular box for myself again, because we really sell clothing and shoes for our reselling business. But this was definitely fun. And if you're someone that sells electronics and sells random kind of items, it might be fun for you to try and get your 15% off using my code. And honestly, guys, I don't get anything for telling you that code. I wish I did, because I know I had some friends buy Target clothing boxes. So anyway, I hope you have a wonderful, what's today? Thursday. Is that, but it's Friday because spring break starts tomorrow and there's no school. So stop, get closer. Get closer. I won't poke you again. All right, guys, until next time. Bye.